witness the caroling contest and later the ceremonial lighting of these Christmas lights with the theme, Pasko na Pag-asa, Serbisyong may puso, tapat at nararamdaman. A moment many of us have eagerly awaited. The creativity, dedication, and countless hours of effort poured and by our personnel have transformed and illuminated our camp frontage into a vibrant Christmas village, marking the beginning of this Christmas season. This celebration serves as a beautiful reminder that our Almighty Jesus Christ is the true light guiding us in every step of our journey. May this symbolic lighting inspire us to also become lights to the people around us, sharing hope, kindness, and warmth not only during this season, but throughout the entire year. I believe everyone is excited to see the sparkle and radiance that await us. Once again, welcome and enjoy the rest of the day. Advance Merry Christmas and Happy New Year to all.